This is the Missionary's Downfall from Don the Beachcomber in the 1940s. If you ordered this cocktail, would you order it again? Let's find out.
All right, they say that this recipe serves two. We're gonna cut a lime in half and, oh, there's the Tiki Farm logo there. We're squeezing 1/2 of an ounce of lime juice into a blender thing here. And then 1/2 of an ounce of peach liqueur. Pour that right on in there. Then 1 ounce of honey mix, that's just honey and water. Honey mix is kind of one of my favorite ingredients in Tiki. It just kind of like makes everything smooth. Okay, next up we're gonna cut a pineapple in half because we need a 1/4 cup of pineapple chunks. Now that's gonna be all blended, so it's gonna create kind of like this smoothie kind of thing. So collect your 1/4 cup of diced pineapple and then we're gonna throw that into the blender. And then we're gonna do the same thing with mint. So you wanna pull a bunch of leaves off of some mint sprigs. Collect a 1/4 cup of that and pour it into the blender. On top of all of that, pour 1 ounce of light rum as well as 3/4 cup of crushed ice. Blend on high for about 20 seconds and, oh, howdy. Now you can either split this cocktail up into 2 servings into coupes, or you can do like me and pour it into a giant, beautiful mid-century pilsner glass. Look at how beautiful that is. Minty with little flecks of darker green in it. Garnish with a delicate little piece of mint. On this one, you want to skimp the mint, but only for aesthetics. And so from Don the Beachcomber in the 1940s, this is the Missionary's Downfall.
There are some cocktails that I just can't wait to have. And when we make them on the show, I'm like, would I order this again? I don't want to give it away, but you could probably guess by now what my response is gonna be. So instead of spending a bunch of time talking about this cocktail, let's just get into tasting it. From the 1940s, the Missionary's Downfall. It's so good that it makes me want to laugh. Like, it's so good. It has the consistency of like a milkshake, but it's thick with mint. It's like diced mint, diced pineapple, so it's almost kind of a smoothie. You have like the peach brandy, and then especially I think the Hamilton White Stash works really well in this cocktail. It is just, I wouldn't say it's light, but it's refreshing. It's just so tasty. This is a great cocktail. If I order this in a bar, I would absolutely order this again. Like, no question. This was one of my favorite drinks to get at Don the Beachcomber in Sunset Beach when my band, the Hula Girls, played there all the time. If you make it for yourself, fresh, dude, it is just one of the best cocktails. I think the thing that I like so much about this drink is the mix of the brandy, like the peach brandy and the honey syrup. Those are 2 flavors that really kind of stand out to me. Of course, the minced or diced or frappéd pineapple really is a major flavor in this thing too. But it's the honey and it's the peach brandy that I think really kind of push this thing to the next level. Just an incredible drink. I'm happy to enjoy it right now. If you are interested in more information about this cocktail, you can visit the archives of Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour by searching Missionary's Downfall. Make this cocktail at home. It is super tasty. Folks, if you have enjoyed this or found it interesting, educational, informative, any of those things, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and if you don't hit that subscribe button, the Missionary's Downfall may be your downfall. Huh?